Today, we are going to see the first chapter, networking concepts. We have already finished our first activity and I know that some of you have not submitted that one. If possible, submit it fast. Nowadays, can you imagine a day without networks of road, railways, telephone system, banks, ATMs, radio, television, malls, schools, hospitals, etc. It all made our life a better before the lockdown. But now also we are having very few. Computer network connects millions of computers together, which has become an integral part of our life. It has extended the power of a computer beyond the expanse of a room. Now we are going to see the definition of computer network. It is considered as a group of computers which are linked to each other along with the peripheral devices. Mainly it is used for sharing data and hardware resources. In this particular given network, you can see 3 computers. They are connected each other using a device called a hub, and only one printer is there which is connected to computer C. If you are going to purchase separate printer for computer A and computer B, the installation cost of this network will go very high. Rather than doing it that way, if we are able to share a printer for all computers which are connected in that network, it is a good method to reduce the cost of installation. There comes the importance of your network. Suppose if a computer A wants to send information to computer C, then computer A is known as sender and computer C is known as receiver. If they want to do so, they must be linked with each other through any of the communication media like cables, telephone lines, wireless media like radio waves, infrared light beams, etc. Now we are going to see 5 parts of data communication. First one, message. It is the information to be communicated to others. It can be in the form of text, images, videos, etc. The second part is the sender. It's a device which sends data message to a web browser. So the sending information can be from a computer, workstation, mobile phone, even tablet, etc. Same as that one, receiver is also going to become a device which receives your information. It can be a computer, workstation, mobile phone or tablet. Then, if you want to have such a communication, definitely there must be a transmission medium. It is considered as a physical path through which the message travels from the sender to the receiver. It can be in 2 ways, wired or wireless. Example for the wired transmission medium are your twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, etc. For the wireless one, we are having radio waves, microwaves, satellite waves, etc. Then the 5th part, protocol. It specifies a set of rules that governs data communication. Without a protocol, data cannot be exchanged between 2 communication devices. Now we are going to see advantages of networking. Networking brings efficiency, economy and effectiveness in an organization. The first point which we are going to see is efficient use of storage media. You know that if you are having a network, definitely you will have a server. It will have good memory space. So rather than keeping your informations like application softwares or data in your client machines, it can be kept in the server computer. If it is being done so, you have to install your application software in that particular server only. You need not go to client machines for installing that one. That will reduce the network installation cost. Second one, preserving information. Naturally, it will be very difficult to keep the regular backups of your standalone computers. If it is being done on your server, and if any of the client is missing that particular software, it can be easily restored for that particular client computer. Then the third one, reduction in hardware cost. Suppose in a network, we want modem, printers, scanners, CD writers and all. If you are going to install in each and every client machine, it will definitely increase the installation cost of that particular network. Rather than doing it that way, if you are keeping all this information in your server, it can be shared among your clients so that you can reduce your total expenditure on your hardware. Then the fourth one, efficiency. Since this particular software or data is being stored on your server computer, if you are having any deletion, modification or upgradation to be done, it can be done only at single point. It will definitely give the efficiency and effectiveness into your working system. Then the redundancy. If you are having a software copy of your information, you need not keep the hardware copy of that one. And it will definitely reduce or even eliminate your paper copy sharing with others. Then the last one, quickest document delivery. If you're having such a software copy in your computer, definitely it can be shared to anybody in this world within seconds. That is the main advantage of using your network.